Hi guys, I hope everyone is doing well. So in my previous tutorial I created a beautiful brown smoky with all the gold eyeliner and everything, and I really did like the way the look came out. So if you haven't watched that, I'll definitely link that up here. And I'll leave the link in the description as well, so if you want to watch it after the video. But I'm going to create a different eye look today, but using the exact same eyeshadows I use. I probably might add a few other things, but I'm going to use the exact eyeshadows I use. About 4 eyeshadows I should say. So I'm going to use the exact same eyeshadows I used. So my eyes are already primed, so let's begin. So I don't know, I'm just excited again because I used the same eyeshadows I said I used in the previous video, but I did add some pressed glitters. You could add some loose glitters, but you definitely need to use like some adhesive, maybe a glue. So I think any like clear glue will do. But this is also pretty, I should say. This is also pretty. I can't really decide among the two. Either the matte look or this look is going to win because I like them both. Trust me, I like them both. I really like them both, and I just like the way, yo. Yes, if you did like how this tutorial turned out, please give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Subscription is free. It's free. Pretty much that's it. I just like the way the look turned out, guys. I so love the way the look turned out, and you could rock this or rock the previous look. Feel free. But if you haven't watched how I do my beautiful skin like beautiful kind of makeup, I'll leave the link up here. So you could click to watch on that, and it's also going to be in the description. You could click to watch how I create like beautiful skin like kind of makeup, and also a link to the previous tutorial as well. Yeah, feeling myself, yo, feeling myself, and I'll see you in the next one.